welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Amazon wig. I'm using the transparent lace, the transparent wig caps, and I'm using the Ghostbond glue. I really like this. I put it 3 times on my hair, make sure it's dried, and I go back in with 3 more layers. So I'll let you guys watch that. Once the glue's all dried, I go in with my wig cap and I put it down over my ears, and I'm gonna actually go back in with more glue for 3 more times, so I'll let you guys see this as well. Now that the glue's dry, I go in before I cut with this melting lace spray by Ebin. I really like it. It's clear and it doesn't dry white like how some of the glues dry, and I just like it. I feel like it adds a added layer of like stickiness. And then I'm gonna cut my wig, cut my ear holes, and yeah, I'll let you guys watch that. I go in with the eyebrow razor as well just to get a closer shave, and I'll let you guys watch that. Now that my bald cap is melted down, I'm gonna go in with the wig, and this is the wig I got from Amazon. I think it was like $80. Amazon wigs are so nice, and I like them because they come quickly, because sometimes I don't know what I want to do with my hair, but I know a wig will always hit. So yeah, and I'm just showing you guys it comes in with the band. I usually just don't even do anything with them. I should start cutting them, but I just usually leave them alone. I'm putting the wig on now, just trying to make sure it's laid down as flat as possible. And before, I did add more gel, more glue and spray before I put the wig on, and I'm gonna cut the lace for you guys right now, and I'll let you watch that. Once I feel like my wig is glued down the way I like, I go in with the wax to help me straighten my part and get it to the part I want. If it was a side part, I would have parted it to the side, and the wax just really helps lays it flat. And then I go in with my hot comb, just a lifesaver. I love it. It just makes sure everything is flat. And I'm going in with my tweezers as well to get that part right. just doing some finishing touches on the wig, straightening pieces and going back in with more wax and all that. And these are the finished results. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end,